Welcome to Kuta Beach in Lombok, a destination where dramatic coastlines, clear tropical water, and a slower pace of life come together to create one of Indonesia's most rewarding beach escapes. While Bali often captures the spotlight, southern Lombok offers a different experience. Here you'll find open beaches, rolling hills, friendly villages, and a coastline that still feels connected to nature. As you arrive, the first thing that stands out is the incredible scenery. Long stretches of shoreline wrap around quiet bays while green hills rise above the Indian Ocean. From above, it's easy to understand why this part of Lombok has become one of the island's fastest-growing destinations while still maintaining its relaxed atmosphere. The coastline constantly changes as you explore. Wide sandy beaches give way to rocky points and hidden coves where waves have been shaping the shoreline for centuries. Every turn reveals another spectacular view. Fishing has long been part of everyday life in Lombok. Along the waterfront, colorful wooden boats head out before sunrise and return with the day's catch. These small fishing communities continue traditions that have supported local families for generations and remain an important part of the island's culture today. Fresh seafood is never far away. Restaurants throughout Kuta serve fish, shrimp, squid, and lobster caught in nearby waters. The Mandalika area has brought new energy to southern Lombok. Modern resorts, improved roads, and new visitor facilities now complement the region's natural beauty, without taking away the spectacular coastal scenery. For many visitors, the ocean becomes the main attraction. Calm mornings invite swimming, snorkeling, paddleboarding, and simply enjoying the warm tropical water. Away from the beaches, local markets provide another glimpse into daily life. Vendors sell fresh produce, handmade foods, spices, and traditional snacks, while residents gather to shop, visit friends, and prepare for another day. These markets offer an authentic look at the community beyond the tourist areas. One of the greatest pleasures of visiting Kuta Beach is simply slowing down. Whether you're walking along the shoreline, watching fishing boats drift across the bay, or taking in another beautiful sunset, it's easy to appreciate the peaceful rhythm that makes this part of Lombok so memorable. Although tourism continues to grow, much of southern Lombok still feels refreshingly uncrowded. Quiet beaches, scenic coastal roads, and welcoming local communities create an experience that many travelers have been searching for, but rarely find in more developed destinations. Thank you for joining us as we explored Kuta Beach in Lombok. From dramatic coastlines and traditional fishing villages to beautiful beaches and unforgettable ocean views, this remarkable corner of Indonesia offers something for every traveler. We hope this journey has inspired your next adventure, and we look forward to exploring another destination with you soon.